My confirmed person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you, make it better for you. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Monday, will be the 26th day of August 2024. Our topic today na envy dey destroy. Our Bible reading for today, it dey come from the book of Galatians chapter 5 from verse 19 go enter 21. Na the things wey the flesh dey do be this: to sleep with person wey you no marry, to get bad mind, to oppress people, to serve juju, dey do magic, quarrel life, fighty, jealousy, anyhow vexation, long throat, these things wey dey scatter people, bad belle, kilikili, to drink anyhow, to dey do other things like all these things. I dey warn una now, as I don warn una before, say people wey dey do dis kind things no go enter God kingdom. Our memory verse na Proverbs chapter 14 verse 30. E say, when peace dey your heart, e go give your body life, but jealousy be like disease for person bone. Make we enter the message wey we get for today. No forget to like, share and subscribe. The most dangerous thing about envy be say e dey open your heart to many bad things. Anybody wey allow envy to stay inside im heart, na small thing comot, e go start dey do other bad things. Cain no get mind to kpoof im brother until jealousy come enter inside im heart. Dem bin dey very close, but the day wey jealousy enter im heart, e open the door to the thought say make e kpoof im brother. For inside Numbers chapter 16 from verse 1 go reach 33, Korah and a group of jaguda, dem come rise up against Moses because dem dey jealous im position. But wetin happen to dem? Ground open swallow dem. When you see somebody wey get wetin you like to get, instead of you to jealousy the person, happy for the person. Romans chapter 12 verse 15 tell us say, make we dey happy with people wey dey happy, and make we dey cry with people wey dey cry. If person dey do well pass you for inside business, ministry or anything at all, no dey jealous the person, follow dey happy instead. Yes, so small jealousy go first dey your heart at first, but the danger dey come when you allow that jealousy to stay your heart and e come grow. James chapter 3 verse 16 tell us say, because where jealousy and no truth dey, wahala and bad things wey people dey do, dey there too. According to this scripture wey we just read now, jealousy and quarrel na brothers and sisters, and anywhere wey dem dey, wahala dey always dey there. This na why you no suppose to allow any feeling of jealousy to just stay your heart, come dey grow inside. The moment you catch yourself say you dey jealous of another person, quickly work on your mind to pursue that jealousy comot, make you replace am with joy. To work on your mind, you go need to ask God to help you make you no jealous person. You fit also start say you come dey pray for that person wey be like say you dey jealous, because e go really dey make devil vex, as e go dey point out things to you wey you suppose to dey jealous for the person life. But instead of you to dey jealousy the person, you go dey pray for the person. E go come stop to dey try to dey make you jealous that person. If you allow jealousy enter inside your heart, you dey open the door for things to scatter. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 30 tell us say, when peace dey your heart, e go give your body life, but jealousy, e be like disease for person bone. So wetin you go do? Guide your heart against this poison wey dem dey call jealousy, because e dey lead to things to dey scatter anyhow. Today we go pray like this: Baba God, abeg, kill every form of jealousy for inside my life in Jesus' name. Oya, make you pray that prayer. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget our topic. Our topic be say jealousy dey scatter something. And na from Open Heavens Daily Devotional wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write, and there we for take the message. This na still Favours blog. We wan thank all our subscribers, but if you never subscribe, abeg make you subscribe May you like this video and share this video so that you go get notification when next we drop another video. Make it better for you, my person.